Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a useful online spreadsheet tool that allows you to create, organize, and manage data easily. First, let's take a look at the main Google Sheets interface. Here you can see the spreadsheet area with different rows and columns. The letters at the top represent the columns, while the numbers on the left represent the rows. Each individual box is called a cell. Now, let's enter some simple information into our spreadsheet. In the first column, we can type name. In the second column, we can type age. And in the third column, we can type city. This is a simple example of how information can be organized in Google Sheets. You can enter different types of information into different cells. For example, you can use one column for names, another column for ages, and another column for cities. Now, let's select the headings we just created. We can make the headings bold to make them easier to see. You can also change the text alignment, font size, and other formatting options using the toolbar at the top. Google Sheets also allows you to add more rows and columns whenever you need them. You can simply continue entering information into the empty cells below or beside your existing data. You can also use the toolbar to change the appearance of your spreadsheet. For example, you can change the text style, alignment, and cell formatting. Another useful feature is the ability to organize your data. Using the Data menu, you can sort information and create filters. This makes it easier to find and manage specific information in a large spreadsheet. Google Sheets also supports formulas and functions. You can use formulas to perform calculations and work with your data automatically. For example, you can calculate totals, averages, and other values using built-in functions. You can also create charts from your data. Charts can help you understand information visually and make your spreadsheet easier to analyze. Finally, Google Sheets allows you to share your spreadsheet with other people. You can use the Share button to control access and collaborate with others. So Google Sheets is a powerful tool for creating spreadsheets, organizing information, formatting data, using formulas, creating charts, and collaborating with other people. I hope this beginner's guide helped you understand how to use Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.